Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awan ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we are celebrating the feast of Saint James the Apostle. Saint James is one of the 12 apostles. He is the brother of Saint John, the beloved disciple. He is called the Greater to distinguish him from another apostle of the same name, or the other James who is younger. He is called the Greater not only because he is older than the other disciple of the same name, but he is called the Greater because Saint James was a witness of almost all the important events in the life of Jesus. And he was also witness of the many miracles of Jesus. He's called Greater because he's the first among the apostles who offered his life for the Lord. The first martyr among the apostles. In the gospel, we find them through their mother asking Jesus to give them the highest portion in his kingdom. And the reply of Jesus is, "You do not know what you are asking. Can you drink the chalice that I am going to drink?" And they answered, "Pusumos, yes, we can," but without actually understanding or knowing what they were asking from the Lord. Jesus was asking them a degree or level of intimacy. He was actually telling them, "Can you be with me until the end?" Ang nais ng Diyos ay yung tanong na, kaya niyo bang hindi ako iwan? Walang iwanan. Kung anong mangyayari sa akin, ganun din ang mangyayari sa inyo. At itong magkapatid na to, sina James at Juan, sumagot na lang, "Pusumos, we can." Talagang sila'y punong-puno ng passion, ng kanilang zeal, o minsan padalos-dalos din. Pero ang tinatanong ng Diyos sa kanila ay, handa ba kayong ialay ang buhay ninyo, ang sundan ang mga yapak ko? Kaya po sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon, nagbigay ng Diyos ang aral sa kanila at sa atin ngayon tungkol sa tunay na kadakilaan. Na ang tunay na kadakilaan ay hindi tungkol sa pagiging number one or on top, but true greatness is being a servant of all. Ang tunay na kadakilaan ay hindi yung ikaw yung nauuna, kaya minsan kailangan mong magpahuli para suportahan ng iba. Ang tunay na kadakilaan ay yung hindi yung ikaw yung pinakamagaling. Ang tunay na kadakilaan ay yung handa kang magpakababa upang itaas ang iba. Mga kapatid, ito yung natutunan ni Saint James, the Greater, the Apostle. Natutunan niya na ang tunay na kadakilaan ay ang i-prioritize ang Panginoon at ang maglingkod sa iba upang maiangat, maitaas ang kapwa-tao natin. Yan ang tunay na kadakilaan. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.